Welcome to the Stores of Berlin. We're going to take a look at a lot of the different stores throughout downtown Berlin and some of the side streets. Harper and I were out and about one day and we decided let's take a picture of all the stores that we can. And I think I've got a real good collection of the majority of the stores. There's a couple of them missing. I'm going to go back and get those, like they're down the side street, like Snoopers and some of the other stores. Maybe 5 or 10 more stores, but in all, did a real good job of collecting all of these. So if you have any questions or anything like that, throw it down in the comments. I hope you enjoy these types of videos that I put together from taking way too many pictures, but I'm glad I can share these with you and enjoy the pictures and have a great day. One more quick promo, I should say. Stop over to Amish Country Views, and that is Amish Country Views by Scott Stallman Facebook page. Make sure you like that and join. We share a lot of pictures, a lot of video, a lot of the happenings around Holmes County. So if you love Holmes County, go over and show the love and jump on Amish Country Views by Scott Stallman Facebook page. Also, if you're on Facebook and looking at the YouTube channel, HCON More, which stands for Holmes County, Ohio. So HCON More YouTube channel. Follow that, like and share it. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. I hope you liked all these pictures, and there are so many more coming. So make sure you like and share. You know the sayings, and I really appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.